Hello everybody, this is a little update on my knitting. This is what I need. I need a top for this summer to wear it in my videos, so I hope you like finished product in the end. Yeah, so keep watching me knitting and doing a couple of new videos. Please follow me on Instagram and follow me on Facebook. I am there as well, and please subscribe on YouTube. The DJ videos with me will come up shortly. I'm thinking about doing so in the near future, so keep watching. But I am working on it, so every single day I work on DJing. As you know, it's my dream to be a DJ, and I'm working on it. I'm working on new songs, on the new set. This top will be a new outfit for me to wear in my near future, in the new videos, so stay tuned. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing and following. Please don't forget that I'm about to become a DJ soon, and I'm going to upload new videos with my new content and new songs and DJ, so it's going to be a lot of fun, I promise. I hope you will be enjoying my next videos. For now, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Bye.